Namaste friends, welcome to JavaScript coding interview question. Today question is what are call, apply, bind method and give example. This is one of the important question for interview. Let's begin with answer. Call. Call function accept two arguments as I mentioned. Those are object instance and comma separated arguments. Object instance stores the instance of the object. Arguments we are separated by the commas. Syntax is object method dot call. In parentheses, you are passing arguments. Call invokes the function immediately and allows you to pass the arguments one by one. I will explain very clearly what the call function. Let's go to the VS Code. Here I am creating call, apply and bind.js. I am creating file like this. After creating this file, I am taking the two objects. Those are developer, one object. In that key is a name, value is a Mahesh. I am taking Mahesh. Some spelling mistake. This is the Mahesh. And also I am taking second key as a employee ID. Yeah, employee ID. That is 143. I am taking some value. After that, I wanna creating one more object, that is let tester. In that object also same, I'm taking name as a Maruti, and next taking employee ID. I'm taking for 420. I'm taking is a employee ID, and also next taking some. I'm taking one function, that is a I'm giving name is a software. Okay, I'm creating one function. Yeah, in this I wanna going to write console.log. Here I wanna going to access this developer key values, so that is why I'm directly writing this dot name. Why I'm here writing this is a reference of the object, so that is a reference of the developer or tester. Okay, next I'm taking this dot employee ID. Yeah, let's begin to the where we are writing this software function I'm calling. After that I'm invoking this call function. In this call function I'm passing the object instance as a developer. Let's go to the terminal. I'm calling this call apply bind methods. Let's see what will be the result it will be show. I'm taking call apply bind .js. This is the file name I'm calling here. Let's see, it is accessible developer name and ID. If I go into the tester, if I call this second object, this is showing Maruti and employee ID is a 420. Okay, and also we talk about your passing the arguments separated by the comma, so those also you can pass here. Before going to pass, I wanna giving the arguments this software function. I'm taking office as a one argument and location as a one more argument. After that I wanna calling here in console those here this is a direct argument, that is why you can give direct name. After that give the space, some space, and also location I'm given here. Next I'm passing this office name as a string, one argument. I'm taking office name as a TCS. Next, separated by the comma, I'm passing location is India. Right, let's go to the call in terminal. Let's see, it can be accessible. You can see the result here. Yeah, this is about the call. Next, go to the apply method. Apply function accepts the two arguments as I mentioned. Those are object instance, array of the arguments. This is similar to the call. Here also we are having object instance and array of the arguments. This is a replaceable here. Just I wanna go to the VS Code. Just I'm taking this software dot here invoking the apply method. Here same I'm taking the developer as an object here. We can call here in terminal C. These are given result from this call, and next from the apply method just only two values you are passing in developer. These two values only they are accessible. Remaining two arguments you are not passing. That's why it is showing as a undefined. Here I want to going to pass as a array format. Next I'm taking del is a office and location I'm taking here HYD. Let's see the result. Yeah, it will be showing here. This is about the apply. And so one more point, apply invokes the function immediately, allows to pass in arguments as an array. We know that one. And what is the difference? You can observe call and apply. Only the difference. Call method gives the arguments separated by the comma, and apply method gives the array of arguments. This is only difference. Let's go to the bind. Bind returns a new function, and you can invoke or call it anytime you want by invoking a function. Only the difference here we are having same like object method and dot bot bind and object instance argument, but these value are going to storing in new function. So those new function only it will be called, then only it will give the result. This is the difference. Yeah, let's see in VS Code. I wanna going to copy this and just paste in here. I'm changing the name as a bind. Let's call this, cannot give the any result, just only giving the result about the call and apply. So that is why I want to going to store these values in one variable, that is a new function name I'm taking like this. So after that I want to going to call this new function. Let's see the result. You can get the result like this. You can accessible this developer is a one for the call, sorry, apply tester, and tester also we are giving a object for this bind. So we are accessing this tester name as a Maruti, and ID employee ID is a 420, and also passing the office name as a TCS, and location is a India. This is about the bind. Let's one more point here. After completion of this answer, interviewer should next question he will be asked like, when you will use apply bind and call method. You can answer like this: call or apply calls the function instantly, whereas bind returns a function that when later executable will have the exact context set of the calling an actual function. Like this you can answer this question. Yeah, quick revision we will take here. When interviewer will ask about the, you can ask answer this question like this: call function accepts the two arguments as I mentioned. Those are object instance and comma separated by the argument. Object instance holds the instance of the object, and the argument takes the comma separated by the arguments. And call invokes the function immediately and allow you to pass the arguments one by one. Coming to the apply function accepts the two arguments as I mentioned. Those are object instance and array of the arguments. And apply invokes the function immediately and allows to pass the argument as a array. Difference between the call and apply method: the only difference, call method gives the argument separated by the comma, while apply method gives the argument separated by the arguments. Coming to the bind returns a new function, and you can invoke or call it anytime you want to invoking a function. Yeah, like this if you answer this question, interview will be impressive. And also friends, I wanna create a source code in, you can find in this description. If you are going to click this URL, you can find my blog like this blocks you can find. You can take the notes from here directly, and also code also given here. Yeah, please find there.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and please comment down.